Ranken Room Report here with Kyle Waelde out at TriTech Automation in Moscow Mills. Kyle's another Ranken alumni, a very recent Ranken alumni. So, Kyle, why did you decide to go to Ranken?
I decided to go to Ranken because I saw my friends going to, other universities, and I wanted to join a field that really needed me. And I know Ranken teaches all the trades, like construction, electric, plumbing, stuff like that, and all those right now are hurting for people. So I figured everyone else is doing something that's a very saturated field. I'll go into the unsaturated field that needs people. So that's really how I discovered
Good thinking. What program did you decide on?
I did electrical automation technology and control systems technology.
So why did you decide that route?
Originally I was going to do HVAC because I knew somebody that did HVAC, and they're like, oh yeah, just go to Ranken, they'll teach you how to do everything. So then I went to the Winsville location, and they said, well, we don't have it out here. So he said the next best thing is electrical, and I'm very glad that I landed in this field rather, because I feel like electrical is a lot more broad than just HVAC. But yeah, that's how I landed here.
Great. What did you think of your education while you were at Ranken in your program?
I think it provides a very good base, especially I like control systems technology a lot, seeing the, controlling flow and stuff like that, working with kind of more specific things, but it's really interesting putting it all together with like PLCs and stuff like that, and using the knowledge that I had from electrical automation technology, because that's the one that I went to first, and utilizing that in CST. So it all kind of comes together.
Great. How about a little plug for your company? Tell us a little about TriTech.
Well, I started here 3 months ago, and I actually got the job from Ranken. They went out there, talked to all of us out there, and he gave me his business card, and I'm like, well, I kind of need a job. So I called him up from the thing, talked directly to the owner, and I was like, well, I want to come check out your shop. And he walked me through, and I was like, man, this place is pretty nice looking. So, and that was before I started CST. That was right after I graduated electrical automation. And he's actually the one that said, yeah, do CST as well. It's really worth it. So I did that, and my schedule was coming here at 5 o'clock in the morning, leaving at 7:30 to go to CST until 2:30. So really shows my work ethic.
Yeah. Did you learn that at Ranken, or were you already a hard worker?
I guess I learned it at Ranken. They make sure you're there learning the material. Like especially, I don't have my stuff on right now, but they have a uniform, clothing policy, so they really make sure you have a good work ethic while you're there.
That's awesome. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Kyle. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.